Welcome back. This is KOK Party Favors. I have printed our design. 2 labels come per 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. This is my vinyl sticker paper, and it came out really well. This is my favorite paper, and I am going to go ahead and cut these labels to size. I have my gift bag here. This is what we're going to apply the label to. Okay, we got that trimmed. I'll get my cutter out the way. Okay, now I'm gonna take my label that's been cut to size. I'm gonna pull my backing off here. And I'm just gonna pull it down halfway here until I can get it lined up, okay? And press down with this hand, pull the backing with the other hand. Okay? So this is how the bag looks. I really enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you did too. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.